Good afternoon, parents of primary children. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you use RazKids and how you log into RazKids, because we've had quite a lot of questions about this, and I'm going to show you exactly where to go on the screen. Right, first thing to do is to type in kids A to Z. So if you go to the address and just type in kids A to z.com and press enter, it will take you through to the Class Dojo page, which asks for your teacher's username. Now, for my class, the username would be S3004. Go. Now, if you want your child's username, you can find it in their student planner. Then it takes you to this page where it asks you to enter your child's password. Now, my child is called Rob, which is me. Click on this, and my password is a car. Now, again, if you want your child's password, it is in their student planner. So I click the car, I click go, and it takes me through to Kids A to Z. Now, in here, you will find a section called Reading Assignments. This is where the teachers assign books for the students. So if I click on here, I can see that my class have got some assigned books to read. I'll just give it a moment to log in. There it is. Now, the book we want to look at today is called How Memory Works. Now, the first option we can do is we can listen to the book. So if we click on this, it will bring up a version of the book which we can simply press play and listen to. The second option is to read the book. So I would always recommend that a child listens to the book first, then they read the book. So they open the book on here and they click their way through the book. So we can click through all the different pages, reading as we go. And at the end of the book, it will just give you a final button that says done, and that will record that you have read your book. Now, obviously, I'm just clicking through it quickly. I haven't really read the book, but I just need to do this to show you the next section, which is the assessment, the assignment assessment. So we click on the question mark. This will bring up a series of questions about the book. So here we can see there are 10 questions, and obviously, because I haven't read the book, I can't answer these questions. So you need to read the book and answer the questions. So for this, I don't know, maybe the answer's A, and then we move on to part 2. We do it like that. Then we can go back to assessments, my assignment, sorry, and look at the other books. The other thing we can do on here is we can go into leveled books, which if we click on reading, we can go to the reading room. And here we will find a range of books that is set at our level. If we go to leveled books, so if your level is B, this would be quite a young reader. You will see all the books that are aimed for level B readers. And that this works the same way as all the other books. Listen, read, answer questions. If you have any questions about what you've seen, feel free to either contact myself on Class Dojo or contact your class teacher. Thank you very much.